Let's explain the concept of recursion with another example. We are familiar with Fibonacci series. Okay, what is Fibonacci series? It is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. What is the peculiarity of the Fibonacci series? The number will be the sum of the above two numbers. So from this we can see 1 is 0 plus 1, 2 is 1 plus 1, 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3. The series which generated in this way is known as Fibonacci series. So I am going to explain, I am going to find out nth number in the Fibonacci series using recursion. That means this is first position, this is second, this is third. Suppose I am asking the program to find the number in the third position of the Fibonacci series. The program must return the value 1. That is what is the problem. Okay. So I am going to implement the same using recursion. So here the input for the program is which position. At which position we have to find out the number. So that position will be read. So I am declaring int n scanf %d ampersand n. I am making a function in the name Fibo of the position is n. Okay. And I am calling this to receive the value. I am using a variable x. So x is equal to Fibo of n. Printf x. So now the main program is over. Now I have to define the variable, the function Fibo. Int Fibo of, I am using a variable z. Okay. So n will be passed to this z. Now I have to check whether this z got the value of 1, 2, 3, etc. If the position was 1, that means if the z had the value 1, what is the output? 0. This is we are going to print directly. Okay, so for the position is first if z is equal to 1, just return 0. Okay. Else if the position was not 1 and if the position was 2, else if z equal to 2, what is the output? It is 1. So return 1. Else, that means for any position other than this 1 and 2, we have to do what? We have to add the previous two numbers. So else return Fibo of n minus 1 plus Fibo of n minus 2. So let's check how this is working. Let's check this program with an example value. Suppose I am taking the input 5. That means I want to know the number at 5th position of the Fibonacci series. Okay. If the position was 1, the value is 0. If the position was 2, it is 1. If the position was 3, answer is 1. Like that. So here I am giving the input to the program as 5. So n is having the value 5. So this is copied to this z. So z is having the value 5. And 5 is not equal to 1. Else 5 is not equal to 2. So this else case will be executed. So here you can see what is returning this function. Fibo of n minus 1 plus Fibo of n minus 2. That means Fibo of 4 plus Fibo of 3. Then again compiler sees this function called. So this will be executed as fib of 3 plus fib of 2. Then fib of 3 is called again. So fib of 2 plus fib of 1. What is the value of fib of 2? If the position, if the set has the value of 2, what is the output? It is 1. So 1 plus fib of 1, z is equal to 1. So what is returned? 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, which is returned to this function call. Now compiler executes this one. So what is fib of 2? It is 1. So 1 plus 1, which is 2, it is returned to fib of 4. So fib of 4 has the value of 2. Now fib of 3 has to be executed. So fib of 2 plus fib of 1. So 2 has the value 1 and fib of 1 has the value 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, which is returned back to the fib of 3. So fib of 4 has the value 2, fib of 3 has the value 1. So 2 plus 1, what is it? 3. So what is being returned from here? It is value 3, which is received by the variable x, and that will be displayed to the screen. So let's check what is the value in the series at the 5th position. So this was the first, second, third, this one 4, this was the 5th. At 5th position the value is 3 and the same value is we have got it here.